first one that we're going to cover, the first error that makes a mess out of your P&L when using the volume profile is, I'm going to go with this one, treating the volume profile like a buy here, sell here system. This is a massive error. So this is the Russell, and what we're seeing here with these green and red lines, I have these ones extended out, but these are high and low volume areas. And what happens is we get enough information about the profile to know that high volume areas are very attractive prices and they're going to work as magnets. And then we know that low volume areas are very unpopular prices and they work really well as support and resistance. So understanding that concept is very simple, and what happens is if you go out and you try to apply that to the profile, okay, we can see here a very powerful example of how this actually works. The Russell opened up today. We had a very strong move higher. We got right up to this LVN above. We failed and then had ultimately a pretty strong move down as well. Okay, but we stopped and we halted and couldn't get past that LVN. LVNs work very well as support and resistance, but the volume profile is not a buy here, sell here system. And I know what happens is typically the volume profile is not the first method you get involved with. As traders, I feel like we have to just go through this path of doing a bunch of stupid systems. And then once we've matured a little bit in our trading, then we're ready to handle something like the volume profile. And if you try to treat it like it's a MACD or Bollinger Bands or something where when this line crosses this line, you're supposed to buy, if you go into it with that mentality, you're going to make a mess out of your P&L, because when it comes to the profile, context is king. And if you're just at a high or low volume area and you start executing trades, you're going to get massively mixed results, and it's not going to work out well for you. And that's a huge error that I know people make when they're trading, is treating the volume profile like a buy here, sell here system.